Your vehicle is a big investment. Your vehicle's manufacturer has developed a recommended maintenance schedule that will extend the life of your vehicle and head off major problems. When you let us perform your vehicle's regular maintenance, we'll build a maintenance plan that includes OEM suggestions and takes your driving demands into account, designed to maximize the life and value of your vehicle. Save today and save your future self the added expense that comes from ignoring maintenance. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.